Urmila and you're watching LFW TV. Hey, what's up? This is Hardcore and you are watching LFW TV with me. Keep it locked.
Hey everyone, this is Sophie and you're watching LFW TV.
Hi, this is Isha Gupta and you're watching LFW TV.
Hey guys, this is Manish Malhotra and you're watching LFW TV. This season, we're again doing the opening show, which is so exciting because you get the entire day to set up your show and to, of course, set the whole look for the season to come. This year, it's all about easy wear, but yet much more richer than before. The collection is, I think, it's a bridge line between diffusion and couture. It's in the evening wear collection.
Beautiful colors, feminine, so I'm a huge fan.
I just saw the beautiful collection of Manish Malhotra, Summer Resort 2014. It's exquisite, it's beautiful, it's Manish, which means that it's way beyond the expectations.